Mic test, mic test. Tatanong-tanong pa eh. So, we're heading to the gym. I'm already late sa ating boxing session with Coach Jess. So, we're testing our new camera. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6 mounted to my HJC V10 helmet. Momo! Bye-bye! Yung gate yung pinto. Okay. So let's uncover this beautiful Vespa. Tadadang! Ang galing! Ang galing! Look at that! Buti na lang walang scratches. It already have some print marks from that seat cover there, which is masakit kasi wala pa siyang 1 month and nadumi na agad yung seat. Di masyadong halata pag malayo, pero if you're gonna look at it closely, makikita mo yung marks. Galing ng pusa, tinanggal yung mga basahan. Ma, pakiayos yung sabit ayusin mo yung sabit. Ito, yung seat cover. Ayusin mo yung sabit, sabi ko. I'm gonna put this back. Oo. Pag nabasa kasi tas natuyo, nagkakamarka. Hirap mag full face helmet. Parang hinihingal. Or it's just because I'm fats. Probably because I'm fat. That's why we're going to the gym, to lose some weights and gain some muscles. So, sura natin ito. Then we're gonna put this back on because it's very useful when you have things to put na you need easy access, like water bottles, towels, coins, and it's very cheap but very useful. I think it's just around 300 pesos ata, Shopee. So we're just gonna strap it in like that. Let's just go to the other way. Same thing here. And then there's just another para mas secured, pero technically you don't have to do this, pero kabit na natin para instead of he's just swirling there, steady betlog lang siya. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Yan. And then I think I have something. Bag yan ng helmet. Bag ng helmet yan. Dadaling ko yan. Mawala helmet ko. Hingal ako. Ito. Subukan natin. Just additional bling bling. There you go. Now we have red tire caps. Kung ano naman tawag dyan. Oops. I'm not even sure how this would look like in post kasi I'm right in front of whatever I'm doing, but since this is an action cam, should give me a wide perspective. Woo! Pagod. Wait lang. Kaya ko lang to dito. Okay, let's go. It's because of our Balaklava Dry Plus pa-sponsor. Alright, this beautiful beach. Mapatanggal yan. Oops, side stand. So we went to DRT yesterday with a few of my college friends and my brother. Kasi one of my friends, Paul, he's also a new rider. Well, he's a new rider, I'm not. Tapos he has a fascio that he's never really riding often. Nagkaayayaan lang biglaan. So we decided to go to TRT. Just a short ride pero it's good kasi the roads are nice and it has a lot of corners rin na magandang pag-practicean. Bye bye ma. And it also has its own version of the Devil's Corner, like the one in Marilaki. But to be honest, the one in DRT seems to be more dangerous kasi sobrang sharp niya. So ayun na nga. So we went there yesterday around 6 a.m. Nakarating naman kami dun sa patutunguhan namin, which is the Tilapilon Cafe. It's a nice coffee shop and one of its what do you call that, interesting point is you have the option to climb the Tilapilon Hill. It's just a small hill pero it has a nice view. So ayun, we went there, had breakfast, saglit lang, kwentuhan, catch up, because we haven't seen each other for like 10 years or more. We're now old titos unlike before. So catch up, tapos when we decided to went home, I'm the one leading. So we're 4 people. Jason is the second, which so ang dala ni Jason is the Rossi Classic. It looks like a scrambler motorcycle. Then Paul has his Fazio, black Fazio, and my brother has his ADV 160 red. Tapos nung paalis na kami, nauna ako, since maganda yung road, medyo nanggigil ako kasi ang luwag eh. Tapos parang ang hirap magbagal sa ganun. Parang it's asking me to do the road justice and magbakbak ng very slight. So when we're riding home dun sa DRT corners, parang ano naman, swabe lang. Kasi Jason, which is the one in second place, is just behind me. So I think, sabi ko sa sarili ko, goods lang naman siguro yung pacing. Pero after I took over one of the very slow tricycle, napansin ko hindi nag-take over si Jason. So I slowed down, just went driving like 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. So sobrang bagal nun. Pero I still didn't see them behind after a while. Pero sabi ko baka mabagal lang. So drive lang ako ng drive hanggang makarating ako doon sa Arco, kasi yung laging pit stop namin daw, welcome to DRT Arco. Then nagulat ako kasi walang signal, wala man ako na-receive na chat or text calls when we were riding. May nag-chat sa group chat namin, sabi si Paul daw nag-overshoot. So gulat na gulat ako. Binalikan ko sila. Tapos habang pabalik ako, ang dami ko nakikitang ambulansya. Nakakatakot kasi pag sinabing overshoot, ang naalala ko yung mga sa Marilaki, yung nag-overshoot sa kabilang lane tapos nababangga. So kinabahan ako kasi minsan lang kami mag ride, baka namatay pa si yung kasama ko, and ako pa naman nagaya. So parang I have responsibility. Tapos ayun nga, dahil nakita ang ambulansya, sabi ko dito na ba? Isa na ba siya dito sa dala nitong ambulansya? Pero ayun, nakita ko sila, nagda-drive naman pabalik. So we followed them, we stopped by the Arco. So that's when I saw yung damage na nangyari. So it looks like doon sa sinasabing infamous Devil's Corner, or yung S, pa-S kasi, pa-S ba yun? Parang hindi naman S, pa-C, more on C siya, very sharp C, tapos paangat ba, nag-overshoot siya dun sa outside. So instead na dun sa kabilang lane, tumapon siya dun sa mga damuhan. Buti na lang hindi masyadong sumobra, kasi pag sumobra siya dun, ano siya, nandun na siya sa kabilang, nasa baba na siya, kasi may mga bangin dun, malalim yun, may mga like river. Ano ba yan? May dog. Tapos ang nangyari, buhay pa naman, may gasgas yung helmet niya. So nag-dive daw, nag-Superman dive daw. Tapos yung fashion niya, left side, maraming gasgas. Yung buti lang yung fashion niya, may parang maliit na cover dun sa lalagyan ng ilaw sa harap. Ano bang tawag dun sa ilaw sa harap? May para siyang hood. So it help protect na hindi mabasag yung ano niya doon, ilaw. Pero yung gilid nga ang dami. Bagong bago pa naman, wala pang gasgas. Fresh black, clean slick Fasio. Tapos ayun, daming gasgas. Pero ang importante, buhay siya. Meron siyang mga gasgas sa arms niya. Buti na lang naka proper attire din siya. Shoes, jacket, tsaka pants, jeans. So ayun lang yung damage niya. Kaso may gasgas na yung motor niya. Battle scars, good experience. And the important thing is, even though someone's hurt, no one's hurt that badly. And may natutunan din naman kami kasi it's a biglaang ride. So dapat kasi pag biglaang ride, pinag-uusapan pa rin diskarte sa daan. If someone's already aware or alam yung pupuntahan nyo, kung may mga ganong sharp shit, should advise the group. I believe we did that, pero siguro na overlook na lang din. So ayun. So we're here at the gym. We're just gonna park here. I think this is good enough. Dito na lang tayo.